In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ads using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know how to define a clear goal, generate strong ad copy, tailor it to different platforms, and refine your ads for better results, all using simple prompts. First, start by defining your advertising goal. Identify the specific product, service, or offer you want to promote and be precise. Think about who you want to reach and where they spend time online, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Choose your main objective: sales, leads, traffic, or awareness. The more details you provide, the better ChatGPT can tailor your ad. Include audience traits, pain points, key benefits, and any must-have phrases. For instance, you could say, write a Facebook ad for a fitness program targeting busy professionals who want to lose weight. Clear inputs like that set you up for high-quality outputs. Next, generate compelling ad copy. Ask ChatGPT to produce headlines, descriptions, and calls to action, and request multiple versions so you can test what resonates. Guide the model to focus on benefits like outcomes, savings, or convenience, rather than just listing features. Make sure the tone and language match your audience's needs and motivations. A helpful prompt might be, create 5 Google Ads headlines and descriptions for an online language course. You'll quickly get options you can compare side by side and refine. Then, customize ads for different platforms. Each channel has its own style and constraints. Ask ChatGPT to adjust tone, length, and structure accordingly. Short, punchy hooks tend to work for TikTok and Instagram Reels, while LinkedIn often benefits from a more professional angle. Generate both short-form and long-form versions so you can test what drives engagement and conversions. For example, try, write a TikTok ad script and an Instagram ad caption for a skincare product. You'll get platform-ready variations you can plug into your campaigns. Finally, refine and optimize performance. If an ad underperforms, paste it into ChatGPT and ask for improvements. Generate A/B testing variations for headlines and calls to action, and request rewrites tailored to different audience segments or offers. Keep iterating to lift click-through rates and conversion rates over time. A great prompt here is, rewrite this ad to increase click-through rates and make it more persuasive. Repeat the process as you gather results and use what works to inform your next round. That's the workflow. Define your goal, generate copy, customize by platform, and continually optimize with ChatGPT as your creative partner.